I'm here at AVE UK Limited and I'm joined now by Steve Bradley. Now, Steve, this is a phenomenal stand. You've got some really impressive machinery here. But first of all, tell us a bit more about AVE UK.
Well, AVE UK started in 1989. We are now part of the Della Toffler Group. And what we do now is we represent 7 of their manufacturing sites. One of which would be Della Toffler itself, which does filtration. Secondly, we've got AVE, who do the bottling machinery from rinsers, fillers and cappers, which I'll show you in a minute. Sirio Aliberti and GMAR do tanks. And then we've got PPMA for the dairy sector. And we've also got Z Italia and OMB for different styles of labelling machines, whether it be low speed, linear or high speed, roll fed.
So pretty much everything then?
We try and cover most anyway, that's for sure.
Fab, let's have a look at some of these machines. So let's start with this one here.
Well, this is an AVE manufactured machine, and what it basically does, it's a rinsing, filling and capping process. The first machine is 16 heads which will invert the bottle and clean the bottle internally. It will then go through a scroll into a gravity filling machine which will fill a liquid product into the bottle, whether it be glass or PET, and it will finish by having a cap placed onto the bottle. At the moment you're seeing the ROPP, which is very similar to like a spirit closure would be applied to the bottle. But this capping turret, which is a little bit different, is a reversible turret, so it can actually be spun around 180 degrees, and not only can we do plastic or ROPP screw cap, we can do corks as well, all at speeds of around 3,000 bottles an hour.
That was going to be my next question. That's pretty quick and quite a few bottles through that machine there. Okay, let's move along now to this one. What is this?
Okay, so this is a labelling machine. It's a combination labelling machine, rotary, which first of all it does self-adhesive labels, but on the other side it also does real fed labels, mainly for the drink sector. This is actually for a water customer, Tarka Spring. I'll get their name in early. It's a 12-head rotary machine that can do speeds of up to 20,000 bottles an hour. So if I take you around, this is the self-adhesive station here. And as you can see, we've got the actual carousel here, which on the left-hand side, we've got the real fed labelling, and then it can apply those labels to bottles, as I say, about 20,000 bottles an hour. Doing plastic and glass if need be.
So real flexibility offered then via this machine?
Absolutely. Well, he came to us with a project to actually just do the self-adhesive, and then it very quickly became a project that we actually realised that he was going to save money by doing real fed as well. So his line's now going to be going through one labelling machine.
Fantastic stuff. Now on to this one here, the Crossflow.
This is from the main group, which is Della Toffler. This is a crossflow filtration using ceramic membranes for beer. And one of the benefits of this system is it actually can be CIP'd at high temperatures, which is what our other competitors can't do. But also you can run it remotely during the night as well. So you can start it in the evening, run its process, and then in the morning you've got an active product.
Lots of beer. Well,
one of my favourite products, really, to be honest.
I can't think why.
Well, you can see.
Fantastic. I mean, you certainly do go across the whole range of the industry, don't you, and supply to them?
Absolutely. One of the main reasons Della Toffler purchased AVE going back to 2010 was literally because they wanted a one-stop shop. They wanted to be able to have an ability to not just do the filtration side of it, but of course all of the bottling line as well, and that's where we are now.
So we're here at PPMA. What are your targets from the show this week?
Well, it would be easy to say we want lots of orders, but that isn't necessarily always the case. But certainly what we do want to do, meet existing customers, we want to see new customers, and hopefully we'll have a decent amount of inquiries. That would be the goal.
Well, we wish you the best of luck with that. Have a great show and thanks for talking to us.
No problem at all. Cheerio.